My name is Marcus Pont and I'm the CEO at Domin. We want to bring long-term sustainable value to the world. The technology that we've developed is going to give people the products that they need and the services that they want, whilst also improving their lives.
My name's Simon Jones. I'm the CTO here at Domin. One of the things that we're spending a lot of time at Domin looking at now is the next wave of hydraulics. So today, people tend to throttle energy to achieve control, and this has worked well for 50, 60, 70 years, but doesn't really fit with our view of the world and scarcity of resource that we believe exists.
We're revolutionising an industry that has remained unchanged since the middle of the 20th century, the hydraulics industry. However, thanks to the use of cutting-edge things like additive manufacturing, brushless DC motor control, digital electronics, we're able to completely rethink how we approach the industry. And by using all of those incredible technologies, we're able to bring a revolution.
So I'm Parvez Alamkazi. I am the head of digital. I think we are building some incredible technology here at Domin. If you look at the size of the industry that we're trying to disrupt, it's a $250 billion hydraulics industry, big things to disrupt.
Our products and systems are based on some really fundamental technology that we've been developing for many years. When Domin approaches design, we make sure that we think about the entire problem all at the same time. We start from first principles and we take an architectural approach to design. We use the most advanced analysis techniques to make decisions as quickly as possible. And then we prototype, test, and continually feedback that loop so that we're able to iterate and use cutting-edge modern technology in order to be able to come up with the best product.
It's not only that we have developed great products and are sticking to the status quo, it's what we can go above and beyond and do things better.
In order to bring the biggest revolution into hydraulics, we need to be able to rethink that use of energy. At Domin, we've developed technology that allows us to really create digital hydraulic control. Oak Ridge National Laboratory estimate that most hydraulic systems today operate at only 23% efficiency. With our technology, we're able to increase that to 90% efficiency and therefore save the entire industry 1 billion tonnes a year of CO2.
So our background in high-speed electronics and control allows us to define on a packet-by-packet basis where does energy go and how do we use it. What that means is we can have systems that have significantly higher transmission efficiencies. We can then look at reclaiming, harvesting energy, reusing that, and we can develop things that take 1/10 of the energy of the things that exist today.
And what that means is we can use a lossless system that allows us to use pulse width modulation of hydraulic energy and almost send packets of energy to where we need it to go. We're able to rethink the use of energy and create the highest performance and the most energy efficient products in the world. We have a vision-led company. We embrace change and we embrace the future, and we're trying to do things that will genuinely make the world better. And that's an exciting place to be.